will read verse 23. Matthew 23, verse 23. It says, "Woe to you, teachers of the law and Pharisees, you hypocrites, you give a tenth of your spices, mint, dill, and cumin, but you have neglected the more important matters of the law, justice, mercy, and faithfulness. You should have practiced the latter without neglecting the former." When I was preparing for this word, I realized that even though we give our tenth every month, it doesn't mean, like Preacher Robin said, our name is in the list of life.
Amen.
If we haven't got love in our heart, or everything says here, God doesn't take pleasure in our offering. So let us stand this morning with our